Hi kindergarten, I am here today with our brand new big book story and I'm really excited to read it to you. The title is Splash. Let's stop for a moment and make a prediction. What do you predict that this book is going to be about? Just based on the title, Splash, and this illustration on the front cover. Well, if I were to make a prediction, I would guess that this has to do with water. And I'm thinking there's an elephant in this story that might be splashing in the water. And I think that elephants might splash in the water to stay cool when it's hot. What are some things you do to stay cool when it's hot? It's supposed to be really hot at my house today, like 95 degrees. What are you going to do to stay cool? Well, let's read the book Splash to find out what happens. Go ahead and buckle your story belts nice and tight. This book is Splash by Flora McDonald. Hot, hot, hot. The elephants are hot. So let's take a minute to look at the faces and the bodies of the elephant. How can you tell that they are hot or uncomfortable? Tiger is hot. How does the tiger act when it is hot? Is it the same or different from the ways the elephants act? How? Rhinoceros is hot. Let's follow the baby down to the... Where are they gonna go? Water. Lovely water. Water to drink. Water to squirt, squirt, squirt. Ah. Splash goes Mother Elephant. Splosh goes Rhinoceros. Whoosh, sploosh goes Tiger. Splash, 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 splash. So look at the expressions, boys and girls, on the animals' faces now. How do they feel? Are they still hot? Why not? Now Tiger is cool and happy. Now Rhinoceros is cool and happy. Now Mother Elephant is cool and happy. Why are the animals happy now? What a cool, happy, cool, clever little baby elephant. What is the mother elephant doing in this picture here? How do you think she feels? What did baby elephant do that was so clever? And look. It's not daytime anymore. So boys and girls, I just have a few questions for you before I let you go and do your practice book page on the book Splash. The first question is, who can name all the animals in this story? Turn and tell someone nearby. Question 2, what was the animal's problem at the beginning? You can always rewind the video if you don't remember. Question 3, what did baby elephant do in the middle of the story? And lastly, how was the problem solved? What were the animals doing at the end of the story? I hope you enjoyed the book Splash. We'll read it again in a couple weeks.